I'm going to show you how to do the wireless setup of your HP LaserJet M111w printer. So let's start with the wireless setup. We have to enter this printer into the setup mode. To connect with the Wi-Fi, press and hold the wireless button. You have to press and hold until you see an orange light flashing. Keep pressing. Now this orange or red light is flashing. You can release the button. Now, after a few seconds, the printer will switch off and switch on again, and a blue light will start to flash. That means your printer is ready for the setup. Now go to your device. For example, I have an iPhone, and open the HP Smart app. You can download the HP Smart app from the App Store. Click on the plus button on the top. Select Set up a new printer, Get started. It will display the name of your printer. Select it. It will also display the name of your Wi-Fi network. Now enter the password of your Wi-Fi. Enter the password, continue. Press the wireless button once. So there's the printer screen, press it once. Printer is connected to the Wi-Fi, click continue. Select Printing Services or Accept it. Once you follow all the steps, you should be able to see your printer on the main screen with estimated level of ink. Now we can start using it. For example, I'm going to show you a simple print. So we load the pages in the front section, open this side, adjust the size, loose letter size or A4 size sheets. Now select any document you want to print. And if you click on the print button, select your HP LaserJet printer. Once you select the printer, click on the print button. That's the paper output tray. Instantly it will print. So you can see it quickly prints. The only thing is it prints in the black and white. So this way we can do the wireless setup of this printer, and then we can start using it for wireless printing. Thanks for watching.